This is going to be one of the most insane fishing videos I've ever posted. My mates and I have been dropped off to tread deep through dense bush with the goal of getting onto some trout. Along the journey, we have to climb raging waterfalls, jump and walk along slippery river boulders, wade through rapids, and most importantly, fish one of the most picturesque and untouched streams of our lives, filled with trout. So with our rods in our hands, bags on our backs, and just the day to spare, let's get into it. G'day guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Today my mates and I have been dropped off to tread deep through bush above a waterfall that has rumours of holding large amounts of trout. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Put down a comment below, it encourages other people to come and check out my channel. Cheers. Have a look at how sick that one looks. That's the jointed sprat. I'm going to be giving that a go. Oh, come on. He's a keeper. Oh, he might not be a keeper. He's one of the... He is beautiful, but he's not a... Do you reckon keeper? But actually, we'll do an underwater shot of you. Alex has got one! Fishy. That's good. We've been fishing for a bit now. I got a few off camera when I wasn't recording. But Alex is on. That's a lot deeper than I thought it was going to be. Lights over my head there. Spook the trout upstream here. Just a bit shallow. Wow, this is a nice hole though. Look how cool this is. Oh, I got the hook up. Oh no, he's not huge, but for this little creek, this is my biggest trout on this spot for today. Holy, that's a nice fish. Same have his fight. Touched him. He's a beauty of a trout. Look how beautiful he is. It's not big, but he's quite fat. On the jointed sprat. He is beautiful. Woo. So I know some people might not like that we've kept that one. A little bit bigger probably would have been perfect, but the size like that, they taste really nice. We're going to keep that one and hopefully a few more. This one's got a good one. Mate, get him, Ewan. Oi, great casper. Ewan cast like right up against that rock up there after taking his time fishing the whole hole. Harry's done the etiquette thing and stayed, just stayed there while his lure was snagged. He's just got his lure out now. But that's awesome. He's a really good trout. Let us have a look. Oh yeah, that's the biggest of the day. All right, Yui's gonna put that back. All right. Oh, Harry's on too. You probably can't come down, Harry. Wait, grab my rod.
He's huge. He's a good one.
He's huge. Yeah! Oh my god!
Even that's
Harry, well done. We're all on the board and Harry's got the biggest of the day. Whoa!
That looks sick as in sunlight.
Whoa. If I fall there, I'd definitely break my ankle. Just got to be very careful with how I place my step. Whew. Might have to go all the way around. Feels safe. Whoa. This is so dangerous. How sick is this, guys? This river goes legit under all these rocks. How cool is this? It's got a spawn there. Whoa. Stuff. I'm fully under a rock right now. But if it was raining, or I was in a storm, I'm just like chill under here. I can see a trout, guys. Oh, I scared him. Yeah, he's gone. Alex is on. Well done, mate. Come over. That's good. Still haven't fished all of this as well. Get a double hookup. Nah, I doubt it. Is that your number 3? It's been a good day. Oh, yep. Double hookup. No, not a double hookup. Hold him up for us. This is Alex's number 3. Oh, nice. That's 11 for the team. Oh, right there, Alex, look. He's just on the ground. See if I could sink my lure down. It's a sinking lure. If I can... Alex is coming your way. Oh, he grabbed it. Oh, he grabbed it. No way. I sinked it down because when I was reading the packaging, it said it was a sinking lure. Sinked it to his face and he just grabbed it. When me and Alex are both here. That's actually insane. Both underwater shot. Alright, there we go. Yours isn't bad size actually. Let's do this. Alright, you ready? Oh, mine's gone. Oh, coming for you, coming for you. Oh, cast back up. There was one just under here and he came out. We got some decent ones. Nah, not bigger than yours. Oh, he's gonna grab it. Yes, he's on. No. Good cast, Alex. Nah. Oh, up there looks real good. Hey, look, see the hard yards, boys. You get rewarded. Oh, yep. Oh,
yes, go on.
Oi, we almost got another double lookup. Number 5. This is the lure that's done all the damage for Alex. The yellow black fury. You can get that from noojeebushgoods also. I think every lure besides Ewan's lure are all from noojeebushgoods. So make sure to go check him out. He's a ripper bloke. I know. Oh! Look, they work. Harry just dropped one on one of his lures. Whoa, sketchy. I've said that a lot today. It's been a very sketchy wade. Definitely not easy. I'll tell you that much. Oh, I see another trout. Before that, just cast low towards the hole. Because I can see he's a really good fish actually. He's really good. Don't scare him. That's the least what I want to do. Yeah, that might, yep, got his attention. Go a bit faster. Got him. Oh, he's a nice fish. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's follow. Another one's following him. Cast it out. His mate's following him. Just cast it out. He'll be going back up. He had a friend that was following him. Will he grab Alex? That's so cool. I just saw him under that little cliff and he came and got, oh, he's off. That's his mate. Nice. He's a really good fish. If you, oh my God. Oh, he's caught. That's number 5.
What?
He's huge.
Oh, look at the beak on him. Oh, he's a nice fish.
Well done, Alex.
Are you sure we don't want to keep that one?
Yeah, a bit skinny.
We've got 2. We've got other food too, mate. I haven't caught one in a little while. Oh, I got one. I was just saying I haven't caught one in a little while. Keep the rod and the line tight. Oh, he's taking me. He's not a bad trout. If I land this, this will be my number 7. Oh, he's grabbed it very weird. Thank you, mate. See ya. There's a trout right at my feet. I do not know how he hasn't seen me. Oh, there's 2. 2. Watch this. There's one right there and there's another one behind. I'm going to drop it and watch. I'm going to jig it. 2 far. Do not know how they haven't seen me, but there's 2 down there. Just let it sink a bit now. He's not grabbing it though. Yep. Oh. Got him. Number 8 if I land him. Oh, the next hole looks so good too. Wow. The hands are, I'll just wet the hands again. Oh, yeah, he's been grabbed. He's grabbed this quite weird. He's bleeding bad. We might have to, I know he's only very small, but we might have to keep him. Oh, you're lucky. Did that go under?